Okay guys, we're going to start Visual web app development using Visual Studio. The first step will be creating a folder on the desktop which you are going to save your work or you're going to save your web app that you're developing. So you create a folder on the desktop. After creating a folder, you name it in the name of the project you want to carry out. So for example, for this case, you're going to use MYU web app. After creating that folder on the desktop, you now open your Visual Studio. You open Visual Studio web. Okay, after that has opened, you now go to new file, go to file. When you open file, it will bring new. You go to new and you click on project. You click on project. When you click on project, on the first window on the left hand, it will bring installed recent. So you go to Visual C hash, then you select web. You also select Visual Studio 2012. Then it will bring another window on your right, and you select, you click on ASP.NET empty web application Visual C hash. You select it, then you go and name it down. You name it down. You put the name of the project you are creating. For this case, we shall say MYU web version 1.0. Then you see it is going to be saved on the desktop on the folder you created first. So you press OK. Press OK. Yeah, it's processing. Then, after it has processed, you'll go and now start developing your web. Then you'll go to Solution Explorer. Then you right click on MYU web app version 1.0. When you right click on it, it will bring a new window. Then you go to add. You go to add. It will also bring a new window. Then you go to new item. You click on new item. When you click on new item, you'll scroll down. You scroll down and go to web forms master page. Whatever we are going to develop, we are going to develop using web form master page. You click on it. Then you slope down and rename it. Let's use mine. So this will be our main master page in the project you are developing. Then after you click add. Process, you wait it to process the master page, it will bring it here. For this, the advantage of Visual Studio, for it will bring the codes and the design part, the design view part of it. When you come here, you see design. When you click on design here, it will be showing. Unlike in a website development, we are using Notepad and either Internet Explorer or thing. But for this case, as whatever you put, it will code itself. It will bring the codes, and if you want to see the codes, you'll be seeing them from the source part. Okay? So in the design view, there's this line here. Okay? That line, when you click on it, it is called content place folder. Whatever we're going to write is going to be in the content place folder. So when you go in the source part of it, so you are seeing deviation. Remember in CSS, remember deviation is, it will contain that whatever you want to write, it will create its framework. We're using the deviation. You can either in a HTML you can use the table, but in CSS, remember we used to use the deviation part of it. So you come on deviation here, up, you press enter. When you press enter, you will come first someone observe here in the design view. So you see form hash, form 1. So we are going to create a table above this, above that, and that content placeholder. So you come to table. Okay, if you come to table, you say insert table. Insert table. So when there, you can choose the number of rows you want to, column you want to insert. For example, let me use 8. Then you press OK. When you press OK, you will see the table has come. So now you can see the source code. You see now it has coded itself. Unlike in the website, where you need to write, you have to put the code. But for this case, whatever you do the other side, it codes itself straight out.
Can it display like we used to display?
Yes, and you see it from here, design. The table is here, it's codes in the source code. Okay? So let's try to first highlight this. And we merge it. Okay? That, go to merge. Click. We need to merge it, go to modify, merge cells. Okay? So you are seeing it as merged. And we want to read something there.
Yeah.
Okay? So if you want to read something, and we want to read it in the center, align, justify center. So we say we're going to use MYU. So we can say Metropolitan, you write it. Metropolitan International. International University.
Kampala.
Okay. Metropolitan International University, Kampala. When you come to source code, you will see the codes are there.
Oh my
Read
goodness.
it codes itself.
Meaning that you can use this
Yes.
as your HTML.
Yeah, this is very fast because for this, you just put it codes itself. For unlike the other side where we need to write this and view the other side. Okay, so you can even remember this university. It always uses green color. So many colors. Let's go to A. You can change it. So you change to green. It's green. So you change it to green. So from there, now we can put our badge now. Okay. So when you want to put the badge, you come to here. Okay. There, you come to again here on the web app. You right click on it. After right clicking on it, you come to add new folder. We're going to create a folder for the images where we're going to insert our images. New folder. So you can name it. Let me say images. After naming it, you come to our image folder, right click, come to add, come to existing item. When you go to existing item, it means you're going to use the items in your computer. You press on the existing item, then you come and look for your your photos where they are. So you have this, you select them. After selecting them, then you add. So you are seeing them, our images have come in our folder. So if you want to place them, which one should we use, this one or this one?
That one.
We use this one. So you carry it.
Drag. Just
Carry,
drag.
you drag and paste it there, leave it, release it, press OK. So you reduce it to the size you want.
I remember one. So that is
So you reduce it. When you go to the source code,
Can't we increase the font size?
we can. So let's press the source code. You will see that it has already coded itself there for the image. Okay. So you increase this. Increase the size.
we are recording it, eh? Get the video.
Iringa word. Hata hii nani anayaje?
You think it could be there for it? Maybe here.
That's
Different
it.
size.
You have
Font size.
Right.
Okay. So now what else are we going to add in our website? After, like for instance, Metropolitan National University, so we need to put now the links and any other thing. About us, home, what,
Contact it.
contact, we merge this. Merging. So we're now going to put the links. So you can say home. Home.
By the account.
What next? So academy. Contact. Services. Contacts. Contacts.
Then also kama contact us, then contacts unajikolanga page and shebanga
So
so
worker.
then can you post a contact us?
You are recording, eh?
Yes, it's recorded.
Yeah, I want the video.
So you can say contact us. So when you do that, when you come to here, source code, you see
Do you have a flash?
that's coded it. That's coded it. Select. So after that, now you can still merge this and carry this content placeholder in that file, in that space that you're going to write whatever we want to write. So now you come to our content placeholder, carry it and place it in this merged cells. It means whatever we're going to do now will be in
The contact us.
the contact placeholder. So you can still use these spaces to add like the links, Facebook, what, add them in this. So now we are going to start developing home, campus, contact us. Okay? These three, we are now going to develop them. because you are supposed, as a normal website, when you come to home, it must bring that content of home. You go to campus, bring that content of campus. Contact us, bring that content of contact us. So this now we are going to develop using the main master page. Okay? So from there, you come back. Wanje. Now, after we have done this, this is an interface. So we are now going to develop the home page, campus page, and the contact page. As a normal website, when you click on home, it brings that content of home. You click on campus, it brings that content of campus. You click on contact us, it brings that content of contact us. So we come back to Solution Explorer. After coming to Solution Explorer, you go to our MYU web app version 1.0. You right click on it. After right clicking on it, you come to add. After coming to add, you come to new item. Remember, now you're going to develop something new. So you come to new item, click on new. When you click on new, since now you're going to develop something within something, a page within a main page. Now we are going to use web form with the master page. You're creating a page within a main page. So you're going to use web form with the master page. Then you come here and rename it. So it will be home. Okay? .aspx. Then you come to add. So we are using the main master to create this. So you come and create mine. You click OK. So when you click OK, you are seeing the home page now has come. Now you are going to develop the home page. So you come on design. Okay. So whatever you're going to write, it will be in this. You are seeing now all this is inactive. So it means whatever content you're going to write in the content place holder. So from there, so whatever you want to put, it will be in that. You can either use the table format, either you just type and you go. Okay? So what are we going to include on main? Anything that we can include in the main format.
You can put like the picture.
So let's just say anyone. Welcome to MYU. Okay? Welcome to Metropolitan Metro International University Kampala. Okay. Welcome to Metropolitan International University Kampala campus. So you can still even include the pics, any pics you want to put. Okay? So you come to our internet. So you can still again also include add the photos. So we can first use these ones we have. You drag a photo. Come on, put there. So whatever information you want to add, you add it in a content placeholder of that particular home, of that particular page you're creating, okay? So it will be like that. When you come to source code, you see it has coded itself. Okay? So you want now to go back and create another contact, develop a contact of a page of campus. You come back to mine. Tell me what to do. You want to create another. Now they are developing a campus.
Right click.
Okay.
Go to add new item. Then work form with master page. You name it.
Down and
Name it. Contact us.
so we are going to campus. campus, then you add. So come to our main page, you press OK. So you are seeing campus has come. You're in the source code, now you go on the design view, you click there. Now you're going to develop the campus page, okay? So campus, you can say
We have 3 campuses.
Metropolitan International, University, Metropolitan University has what? 3 campuses. No, it's one campus with 3 campuses. Hey, it's one university with 3 campuses.
Those are branches.
Which branch? A branch is a campus.
Yes, the branch is the campus.
No, a branch is a campus.
It is a campus.
We have Kampala campus, Banana campus, and Kisoro campus. But one university. Metropolitan International University has got 3 campuses. That is Kampala campus, Mbarara campus, and Kisoro campus. Yeah. Kampala campus, Mbarara campus, and Kisoro campus. First of all, Kisoro, the main Kampala campus, which is Kisoro campus, which is the main campus. And any other information you want to add. If you still need to add the photos and the whatever, you just press enter, add. Okay? So we are now going to also develop the contacts. So the same process.
Right click, add, new, or home with it, start page, rename.
So this is it. Contact us. Then you press add using the main master. Press OK. So you go and develop it. So contact us. You can say just you can contact. MYU through its official website. Like that. Okay. So when you go to main source code part of it, you see it has coded itself. Then you save. Here is saving per page. Then here is saving the whole. Save it. You come to this. Home page, save it. Master page, you save it. Yeah. Yeah. When you come to home page, it will bring it. And this one comes when you connect them now to link, hyperlink. So it's where you can hyperlink them, but you don't have a data connector. You don't have that software here. But when you have it, you come and hyperlink, you select them, come and hyperlink. You come here, you hyperlink them, then you come and view. After viewing, then now it will view like the way on what you were saying. Yes, you click on a home, it comes. You click on campus, it comes. You click on contact us, it comes.
So you have to install that app.
Yes, you have to install that software.
It's called
See, we're using my HTML data connector. Connected to it. Yeah.
post it in the group. Best teacher ever.
No way. I'm not a teacher.
Teacher ever. Who attended the accounting discussion?